Yeah. Hmm. Hey, look, I want to buy a billion. Yeah, billion Dogecoin. Can I buy a billion Dogecoin? What? I don't have money for that? Oh, wait, my students are here. I need to hang up. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Hey, I was trying to buy some Dogecoin, but they say that I don't have money to buy a billion Dogecoin. I'm very sad. I could have bought 1 billion Dogecoin maybe in 2017, but now it's pretty impossible. Okay, let's go. Let's now talk about Dogecoin nodes. What is a node? How to set up a node? And we are actually going to have hands-on, so you will be able to set up a node on your laptop and also on the cloud. Setting up a node is one of the best ways to contribute to the Dogecoin blockchain to keep it more secure and more decentralized and distributed. Okay, so a node is basically a computer in the network, being like Dogecoin, a permissionless blockchain, just like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and so on. Anyone can participate with the node. And the nodes basically record all the transactions. So every time you have a new transaction, a new block being mined by the miners, the miners broadcast the new block to the network, and this block of transactions is appended to the ledger that is distributed among the nodes. So what a full node is basically a full database of all the transactions on that blockchain, in this case, Dogecoin. So when we download and synchronize a full node, we are basically downloading the entire blockchain, the entire ledger. In the Dogecoin case, I think we are talking about 50 something megabytes, 50 something gigabytes of data, which is quite a bit. So it may be sometimes a little bit slow to synchronize it, depends on your computer capacity, it depends on the internet speeds. So you will need to have like a decent internet and at least 50 something gigabytes of space available on your computer to do this. At the moment, there are around 1,200 nodes. So I was checking here this website, and actually the number of nodes went up quite a lot last few days. There is a lot of hype around Dogecoin, but still the number of nodes is still very low. Bitcoin blockchain has way more nodes. If I'm not wrong, close to 8,000. Actually, after doing a quick Google search, there is a website saying that there is 10,000 full nodes, but this is a bit old, March 2019. Well, anyway, 10,000, probably there are around 10,000 Bitcoin full nodes. More nodes you have, more secure the network gets. Previously, I gave the example of the accountants, right? If you have a blockchain with one accountant, well, it's you have a single point of failure, right? It's not very secure. If you have 10 accountants, it starts to get a bit more secure. If you have, in the Dogecoin case, 1,300, right? The number that you have here, 1,300 nodes, full nodes, it starts to get quite secure. But if you have 10,000 nodes like the Bitcoin blockchain, well, then it's very, very, very secure because the data is distributed across 10,000 nodes, and it's also almost impossible to change the data, to hack 10,000 nodes at the same time. Okay, so now let's go into it and start deploying a full Dogecoin node on your laptop, okay? Okay, to get started deploying a full node on your laptop, you need to go to dogecoin.com, and you scroll down and you have here Dogecoin Core. So depending if you have Windows or Linux or Mac OS, you can download here the Dogecoin Core app. Dogecoin Core is full node and also a wallet. Although, to be honest, I wouldn't advise it to use it as a wallet, because Dogecoin Core only works well as a wallet if the node is fully synchronized. And there are some issues to synchronize. Sometimes it may get pretty slow, and the reason why Dogecoin Core full node gets very slow synchronizing is because at the moment you have a lot of people trying to synchronize for a little number of nodes that are already fully synchronized. So Dogecoin and other blockchains are peer-to-peer blockchains, right? The nodes open, the nodes work, and the nodes work in a peer-to-peer fashion. But if you have like one fully synchronized node for 10 nodes that are trying to synchronize, this one node needs to send data for 10 different nodes, and all the network gets pretty slow with this. So don't use it, at least at the moment. A Dogecoin Core wallet has your wallet, unless your full node, your Dogecoin Core, is already fully synchronized. Okay, so let's I have already installed Dogecoin Core, and I actually started to try to synchronize it with the network, and I want to show it to you. How is it going? All right, so I have opened the Dogecoin wallet, Dogecoin Core wallet, and I want to show you the status, because as I said, there are tons of new nodes coming, and it's very hard for the network to keep those new nodes updated. So I left it for like 3 days trying to update, and in 3 days the progress is only like 3.45%, which is not good. It's a sign that we need indeed more full nodes, more Dogecoin Core nodes being updated on the network. And after doing some research, actually, I came up with an article on Reddit that that comes up with a solution where you can actually download. If you are having troubles synchronizing the wallet, you can download from a BitTorrent the entire blockchain up to January 3rd, 2021, and this is going to facilitate a lot. You just go and replace the file, and this is what we are going to do now. I have already downloaded, so I have used BitTorrent Bitcomet to download this, and now I'm going to update with the downloaded file. So it's like a I don't know, maybe 50 gigabyte file. So instead of taking like many days, it took like 1 full day only, and it's a much faster way to synchronize the 7 years of blockchain that we have in this case. Okay, so I have downloaded the Bootstrap from BitTorrent, and actually, if we check here, I have in this downloads folder all the blocks. Okay, so you have tons of data here and the chain state, and this file is how big? 44.8 gigabytes. And what I'm going to do is to copy paste this to the folder where my full node is updating. To check the folder, the correct folder in your computer, you can come to help, debug window, and you have here the data dir. Data dir is the directory where you have your node is updating the ledger and putting the data. Okay, so I'm going to search for this. You can just copy paste, and as you see here, I have here a file, blocks, and the chain state. Chain state is 157 gigabytes, and blocks is 1 gigabyte, 1.21 gigabytes. And I'm going to replace with these two here, okay, which are way bigger. So I'm going to copy here. I'm going to this one. I'm going to delete. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's being used. Okay, okay. Actually, I need to stop. First, I need to close my Dogecoin Core wallet. Okay, he's going to shut down. Okay, now I'm in my current data directory where Dogecoin was trying to update, and I'm going to delete this. Okay, and now I'm going to copy, or I can just drag and drop actually. Okay, to the directory. Okay, so now I have here the blockchain that I have downloaded from BitTorrent, and it's updated until January 2021. So now I'm going to open again my Dogecoin wallet and see how does it look like. All right, so I just reopened the Dogecoin wallet. It took like a minute to open, and as you see, now I'm only 14 weeks behind, and I'm 94.23% updated. So it was a big jump. I guess it will take many days to keep to get these updated, but now it's indeed way closer to be updated. So if you want, I will leave the links for this Reddit page where you can get the BitTorrent link so that you can download the ledger until January 2021 and update your full node much faster. So I'll guess now to fully synchronize, it will take probably less than a day, which is amazing. All right, so this is the Dogecoin Core wallet and full nodes. If you want to contribute with the full nodes to the community, it's a great thing to keep Dogecoin a more distributed, decentralized, and secure network. Okay, now I will leave this updating. Maybe in a few days I will make another video showing you that the wallet was already, the full node was already fully updated. Okay, so next video I'm going to show you how to create a full node on the cloud. So we are going to use AWS clouds to do a full node on the Dogecoin blockchain, and it's going to update way faster than this because on the cloud we have a different computing capacity and better internet connection also. So join me on the next one. It's going to be exciting, and we are going to have a little bit hands-on.